Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 3321 Doheny Way in Dana Point, California. This incredible home is located in the exclusive community of South Cove. Now, the top three things that I just love about this property, number one is its location. This home is located in the heart of Dana Point. You are literally walking distance to the ocean, Dana Point Harbor, and famous restaurants, hotels, and shopping. The second thing that I love about this property is its floor plan. You have an open concept floor plan. The kitchen opens to the family room. All the secondary and primary rooms reside on this level. You're gonna love living here. The third thing I love about this home is it has a sizable viewing deck on the third level where you have panoramic views. In fact, you can even see the boats in the harbor. I know you're gonna love this home. Let's go take the tour. Don't you just love the upgrades on this property? They use the finest finishes. And as you can see, I'm on the third level deck. Look how gorgeous it is out here. You have beautiful views, and I love that ocean smell. If you have interest in viewing this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.